Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another simple DIY for you guys. I'm going to be restoring the headlights on my 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. They're honestly not terrible. The driver's side one is definitely better than the passenger one. But we're going to go ahead and do that and just make them look new again. Alright, before we get started, I wanted to show you what we're going to be using today. I picked up this 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I want to say it was like $15 maybe, something like that. And it gives you everything you need. The only thing you have to provide yourself is a drill and a bottle of water. And I will leave a link for this in the description because it's convenient to get everything in one place. Alright, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and clean the lenses with soap and water. I'm just going to start with one at a time. So, some soap and water in a spray bottle here. And I'm just going to wipe it down. Alright, after you've washed the headlight with soap and water, the next thing you're going to do is tape around the headlight just so you don't damage any of the paint. And the kit gives you some tape so you don't have to provide your own. We're going to go in with a 500 grit sandpaper until we have a white, very white surface that looks like the headlight is frosted. We're going to keep it lubricated with water. Alright, so this is what it should look like once you finish with the 800. I did go ahead and wipe it down, but you see it looks a little frosty and kind of a little bit scratched up. But now I'm going to go in with the 800 and basically 800 grit and basically do the same thing until it's a little more clear and not quite as frosty. Alright, so we finished up with the 800 grit sandpaper, and it still kind of has a haziness to it, but it's much smoother. It doesn't look like there's scratches left from the 500. So now I'm going to go in with a 300 grit, a smoother, finer one, and just refine it a little more. So we finished the sanding for both of the headlights. I don't know if you guys can tell yet, but they already look so much better. They do still have a little bit of fog to them because we still have to put the like protective coating on them. But all the yellowness is gone. They both look really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the protective coating. Came with 2 packs. We're gonna use one and do 1 coat on each headlight first. And then it says to wait 5 to 15 minutes for it to dry, and then use the second wipe to do a second coat on both headlights, and then we should be good to go.
Wow, that's insane. Holy bro. I've never done my headlight like this that it looks this good.
That changes the whole freaking look of the car.
Bro,
Okay guys, look at this. This is just one coat of the protective solution and it looks so good. Wow. The whole front end of the car looks different. Look at how clear it turned out. Wow. Alright, I have to let this dry for 15 minutes and then I'll check back in after I do the second coat. Alright, second coat of protective coating is finished. Look at that. It looks like completely new headlights. Wow. Guys, I'm impressed. I highly recommend this kit. If you have a drill, it works great. I'm super impressed.
Too hard was like driven. And you didn't overlay on that pass. Right here. Look at it.
Alright guys, that's how you DIY restore your headlights. Like I said, I'm super impressed with this 3M kit that I got, and I'll leave the link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you stay tuned because we have our first real modification coming, and I'm super excited. So just stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. See ya.